Today I want to show you how to view your NFTs on rainbow.me. As an example, I picked up the Lazy Cup number 37 that was stolen by our dear Crypto Furia. Greetings. She was worried that the cup was gone forever, but in fact it isn't. If you click on owned by the Ethereum address, you will find that this guy or this girl has deleted his OpenSea account. So what you can do is you can copy the Ether address right here and then paste it into rainbow.me, which is built into Ledger Live, by the way. So if you own a Ledger, you can always click on Explore and then on Rainbow.me, and you get shown all your NFTs in your owned wallets. So on rainbow.me, you can just put in any ENS or Ethereum address that you know. And basically, as we all know, on the blockchain, every address is free to see for everyone. So we are pasting that scammer address in here. And then we see what this ETH address still contains NFT wise, right? So we see that Crypto Furia's 2 cups are still in here in that wallet. And you could also check this via Etherscan. If you just open Etherscan and paste the ETH address, and then you can click on ERC721 tokens, which are basically all NFTs. Then you can check what went in and out of this wallet. And if you check what went in 3 days ago, for example, the signature series, we click on view NFT and then you get shown the NFT too. You get shown who the owner is, and then you can also view them on OpenSea, LooksRare and X2Y2 if you want to. So Rainbow.me is basically a more convenient way to check what's inside a wallet. Surely you could do the same just by opening the wallet on OpenSea. So for example, if you open my wallet in OpenSea, you will be seeing all of the NFTs that are inside my wallet. And if you just copy the address and put it into Rainbow.me, you will also see all the NFTs that I got listed and categorized, but you will also see some POAPs that I collected, right? So that's another way to show off your NFTs. If you're with friends or something like that, you can just use rainbow.me and then type in any ETH address or ENS address that you know. Stay safe, guys.